today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend the length of a pair of jeans in Photoshop using selections, transformations, and simple retouching techniques. This is a really useful edit for fashion photos, product images, or any creative manipulation where you want the clothing to look longer while still feeling believable. The goal here is to stretch the jeans naturally without making the shape look distorted or messy. To begin, duplicate your image layer by pressing Ctrl+J. This gives you a safe backup to work with. After that, click back onto the original image layer so you can start isolating the areas you want to extend. Now choose the Object Selection tool and switch it to Lasso Selection mode. Carefully draw a selection around one side of the lower part of the jeans. Try to follow the shape closely because a clean selection will make the final result look much better. Once that area is selected, press Ctrl+J to copy it onto its own new layer. At this point, if the original image layer is no longer needed, you can hide or delete it. Then make sure the duplicated full image layer is positioned at the top of the Layers panel. This helps keep your working layers organized and makes the next steps easier to manage. Next, repeat the same process on the opposite side of the jeans. Use the Lasso tool to select the lower section, and then press Ctrl+J again so that side is also placed on its own separate layer. Now select one of the copied jean sections and press Ctrl+T to open Free Transform. From there, switch into warp mode. Gently drag the lower part downward to extend the jeans. Be subtle here. Small adjustments usually look much more natural than dramatic ones. Then do the same thing on the other side until both legs feel balanced and match in length. Once you're happy with the shape, select the main image layer and temporarily reduce its opacity. This makes it easier to see through the image a bit, so you can better align the extended sections and check how everything fits together. After that, select the Clone Stamp tool. Adjust your brush size so it fits the area you're cleaning up. Hold Alt and click on a clean part of the white background to sample it, then carefully paint over any unwanted edges, gaps, or extra jean fabric. This cleanup step is what helps the final edit blend smoothly and look professional. Keep making small refinements until everything looks clean and realistic. Taking your time with the selections, warp adjustments, and retouching will make a huge difference in the final image. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing these Photoshop techniques to create seamless, polished edits with confidence.